Hello students, today we are going to start problem set 23 of standard 5th maths. Question number 1. What is one third of each of the collections given below? That means the one third part is given to you and you have to see this. 15 pencil. So this 1 upon 3 of 15 I have written here. Now in what I have done here, 15 divided by 3. So in 3 table 15 comes how much? 3 5s are 15. So like this I have written 5 pencil here. Or you can do the second method also. What is the second method? You can cancel from here only. Like in 3 table 15 come. How much? 3 5s are 15. So you can cancel and directly you can write the 5 also. So I have done here 15 divided by 3. You can divide and see in rough work. In 3 table 15 count, like 3 5s are 15, which I have written here. Same way, second one, 21 balloons. So 1/3 of 21. So 21 divided by 3. Now in 3 table 21 comes. How much? 7s are. So that's why I have written 7 balloons. Now we will see the third one. 9 children. 1 upon 3 of 9. 9 divided by 3. Now in 3 table 9 come. How much? 3 3s are 9. So 3 children. Fourth one, 18 books. 1 upon 3 of 18. So 18 divided by 3. Now in 3 table 18 come. How much? 3 6 are 18. So 6 books. Now see the question number 2. This is also the same, only this one is different. So see here, what is 1/5 of each of the following? That means in case of 1/3, which we have done in question number 1, here is 1/5. Okay, so same thing you will write 20 rupees, 1/5 of 20. Instead of 1/3 you have written the 1/5. Now 20 divided by 5, that has given you 4. Same way here also, 1 upon 5 of 30. 30 divided by 5. In 5 table 30 comes. How much? 5 6 are 30. So 6 kilometers. Now see the third one, that is 15 liters. So 1 upon 5 of 15. 15 divided by 5. Now in 5 table 15 comes. How much? 5 3s are 15 liters, like this. Now 25 centimeter. 1 upon 5 of 25. 5 divided by 25 divided by 5. That means 5 5s are 25. So 5 centimeter. Now we will see the next. Now question number 3. Find the part of each of the following numbers equal to a given fraction. Now here 2 upon 3 of 30 they have given. Now what you will do? You will do the same thing. 2 upon 3 multiply by 30. Now in 3 table 30 goes. How much? 3 tens are 30. So 1 0. So now 2 and 10 is remaining and multiplication sign is there. So you can write here 2 multiply by 10. So that's why 20 I have written here. 2 tens are 20. Now see the second one. 7 upon 11 of 22. Now here 7 upon 11 multiply by 22. Now in 11 table 22 comes. How much? 11 2s are 22. Now this 7 into 2, that will give you 14. 7 2s are 14. So here also we will see 3 upon 8 of 64. 3 upon 8 and 64. 8 8s are 64, which I have cancelled here and became 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. See the fourth one. 5 upon 13 of 65. 5 into 5 upon 13 into 65. In 13 table 65 come. How much? 13 5s are 65. So here 5 into 5, that has given you 25. So like this you have to solve. So in question number 2 we have seen that they have given us 1 upon 5 like this. So what we have done, we have directly divide and see. So here they have in numerator the number is there. So that's why we have done in like this manner. So thank you students. We have completed this chapter.